Dear Andrew, I see you grabbing another PNP idea. This time our rent-to-own housing plan, and you're trying to claim it as yours. But let's be clear. That plan was first announced in the People's National Party's 2020 manifesto. And just like so many of our ideas, you dismissed them then, but now you're trying to rebrand and claim them. You've been in office for 10 years, and in that time, the NHT under your government has built less than 15,000 homes. You had promised 70,000, and you said you were going to eradicate squatting and build 1,000 houses per year for the most vulnerable. And we've barely seen 300 houses built in a decade. In your 2021 budget speech, you even promised $8 million homes for low-income Jamaicans. But you turned around and built NHT units costing up to $38 million. So who exactly are you building for? And let's not forget the facts around Clifton, where you sent in bulldozers to demolish poor people's homes. And now you're posting pictures after building back one house. And let's not forget Luidas Vale, where you sent in eviction notices for over 60 residents who had been there since the early 1970s. I had to write to you to show how they had a legitimate claim, and we even had to take the matter to court to prevent them from being evicted. Jamaica needs real solutions, not PR stunts, and no more of your empty promises. Our people are tired of the talk. They need homes that they can afford, they need titles to the land they live on, and they need a future that they can believe in. And we will deliver that.